Yes, this is recording for maintenance schedule. So below is I took some time to make a maintenance schedule for mechanical engineering workshop, and you can see it has at least a few columns indicating serial number, the frequency at which the maintenance is done, the equipment, the activity that is being done on the equipment, the person responsible, records required, the planned date, last date that the maintenance was done, then the next date, and the status, and finally the remarks. So I'll just go briefly. For example, if we click on the daily, so I've divided them into daily, weekly, and monthly, and quarterly, and then annually, depending on the demand of the maintenance that the equipment needs. So daily, you can see I've listed the machines that require daily checkup, and under the daily checkup, some of the things that you can be checking is like cleaning, inspection of the guards, the guards for protection in case of any wheel gets off during operation, drainage, check of pressure gauges. Those are some of the daily that can be checked. Weekly, it can be majorly on the machines, heavy duty machines, lathe, milling, power saws. Can check the tensioning of the pulleys, hydraulic oil, and many other areas. Then monthly, also we have machines that have monthly check, and some of the things that can check monthly can be safety, especially safety valves, or and also can do physical inspection on monthly, bearings also. And then quarterly, now as you go down, you realize the longer the period, the machines are reducing. So here you have few machines like lathe, milling, grinders, and some of the things that we check now quarterly are things that need heavy maintenance, and this requires the technician or some certified inspector. So you find that the trainees, the person responsible, trainees have just limited them to the dailies. So when it goes beyond daily, now it's the responsible person is a technician or electrician or a safety officer or a certified inspector. So that is a breakdown on the person responsible, the activity and the equipment, and then the frequency. Now come to the planned date and last date, and then next date. So for example, like this equipment was, let me do the monthly one for quote monthly, for example. So like this equipment was scheduled to be done. Let me do one for weekly. Weekly will show it clearly. So this equipment was planned for maintenance on 25th, and the last date of maintenance was 18th. So the next date for maintenance is, so I've inserted a formula in a way that once you put the last date, it gives you automatically the next date of maintenance, that is 7 days later if it is weekly. So it gives me 7 days later, which is suppose next date due date is 25th, and the department has planned its maintenance fortunately to be 25th also. So the department can plan 1 or 2 days ahead of the due date, or 1 day before the due date. So and then on the status this side, see I've indicated green, which means if it is done, if by 25th, let's say by 25th of February, let's say we are already in 25th of February and it is done, so the status will indicate, the person who has done it will indicate with the green. With the green, as you can see here, I've indicated green to show completed. And if it has not been done and it is due, like for example, it has not been done and it is due, like for example this one, find the last date done was 19th, and after a week it's supposed to be done on 26th, for example. Assuming we have reached 26th and it has not been done, 26th of February, it has not been done, and the department is planning to do it on 10th, so 10th of March. So you see, it will indicate it as red to mean that it is overdue. It is overdue. And the yellow one is to show that it is due within 7 days. Like for example, this one, it is it is last done on 19th. It's supposed to be due by 26th, and then the department, as the workshop department has indicated that they are going to do it on 1st of March, which is within 1 week of the due date. So that one shows it is within 1 week of the date. So that is why I'm using yellow. So that is the difference between the using yellow, green, and red. So green is to show that it's completed. Red is to show that it is overdue, and then yellow is to show that it is due within 1 week. So that is my presentation on the maintenance schedule. And here on the remarks, now the person who has done the maintenance can indicate any observation that he made following the maintenance. So that is my maintenance schedule. As you can see, that's how I made it. Thank you, and that's all.